Okay, here we have a 2011 Ducati. Customer said this was a 2011 Ducati 848. Basically, we're gonna go ahead and program the key into the cluster. Do the special programming. They also sent the ignition, so we're gonna make the key from scratch to this. And we're not gonna need this part, but we're gonna need the ignition and we're gonna need the dashboard. We'll go ahead and program a key. We'll come back in a little bit. As you see, I got a lot going on. I got some S-type ignitions. I got to rebuild broken key here, so I got a lot going on. I know you're probably looking in the background, and that's what's going on. But I'll come back in a little bit with this Ducati key made from scratch and already pre-programmed. Okay, we're back at the Ducati dashboard. As you can tell, the Ducati, we made the key and everything dashboard. As you can tell, we tape up the dashboard so we don't scratch it and all that when we take it apart and working with it. But these are the two keys. They do have chips in them. So let's try it. See the steering lock move. Tighten the vise. There you go. Key 1. Machine, steering lock. Key 2. That's basically it. You need our help, you have a Ducati, give us a call. We'll tell you what we're going to need, and we'll go ahead and generate a key from scratch and then do the special programming that's needed. This takes a few hours right here to deal with, as far as making the key from scratch, doing the programming, all that. And also we don't rush through the jobs. We take our time so we can make sure we do it right. And that's about it. Go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.